It's cordless. This is my Fanttik portable, cordless, rechargeable air pump, and I think every car should have one of these. I've had this for about 6 or 8 months now, and it has never let me down, and I've used it a ton of times. It's such a small form factor, and I keep mine in a little case to keep it protected. I also still have the plastic over the display to keep it from getting all scratched up, but that's just because I'm anal like that. It works for bicycles as well. In fact, it works fantastic for bicycles, but I keep this in the back of my car for emergencies. It has a built-in flashlight, or it will also flash if you're trying to signal somebody. It puts the flash in flashlight. So that if you're in an emergency situation, you're trying to top off your tires at night, while you're hooking this up, you can actually use that to illuminate the valve on your tire. So super cool, and I've absolutely used it that way. What's great about it is that it's so small and it's completely cordless. You don't have to plug this into your 12-volt socket. It charges with a USB-C cord, and in fact, it actually has an USB-A port on it so that you could actually use it to charge a phone in case of an emergency, if you're stuck on the side of the road or what have you. It has different presets here so that you can use it for a car, 36. You've got a motorcycle here at 35 PSI. You've got a bike at 45 PSI here, and a ball at 8 PSI. So it is versatile. You can also set it yourself to whatever you want your pressure to be at. Then when you start it, it will pump until it gets to that pressure and then stop. If it's a cold night, you set this on the ground, you get back in the car where it's nice and toasty, and you wait until you hear the sound stop, and you'll know that you're ready to go on to the next tire or onto your destination. I recommend going 1 PSI above so that when you're disconnecting and you lose a little bit of air, you end up with the exact pressure that you want. It's designed really for topping off your tires. You find that you've got a tire that's low, this is going to top you off. You can use this to go from completely flat, but it's going to probably use quite a bit of its battery to get that tire from flat all the way up. That said, you can do it. If you find that you've got multiple tires that are low, you'll be able to top up all 4 of them with no problem. It actually goes all the way up to 150, so that's pretty high. And then it goes all the way down to 3 PSI, so that's pretty versatile. It does come with a USB-A to C adapter cable. Also comes with the little, what do you call this? I forget what you call this. Needle. It also comes with a little needle adapter for inflating balls, and a little adapter for if you're going to use, what do they call those? If you're going to inflate the bike tires that have, I can't think of what those are called now. I had a Peugeot bike that had them. Like on racing tires or whatever. I can't think of what they're called, but it's got an adapter for those too. So super versatile. It has saved me a number of times. It's a fantastic automotive item. I would say that it's essential. I think that everybody should have one in their vehicle just in case. And in fact, they make a great gift. I bought one for my son to keep in his Xterra. So I can't recommend it enough, and I hope this helps.